All right, welcome back. Day number, I don't know. So where do I even start with today's price action? We dumped a New York opening as per the usual schedule. We dumped a New York opening. I almost shorted this. This is like a 5 minute order block. But then I figured that this is Tokyo session. This is lows in the beginning of the 4 hour fair value gap. Same way as this is like the end of the 4 hour fair value gap. And I had those targets to get like a pullback before going down again. So I figured to close early. Ended up being the right call because I was just taking this trade based on the 5 minute order block right here. And this, this is how the trade looked. I think the entry was somewhere around here. Yeah, this is how like the trade looked all the way down to there at the time. And this doesn't really look good to short on the 1 minute. So I said, well, this doesn't really look good to me. So I'm just going to exit for like a break even. Ended up exiting for that. That was minus 30, which it's not really break even. It's like minus zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.2. I think it's like 0.2 and a half something. So ended up exiting for that. And I said, okay, I'm going to take a next trade, but the next trade that I'm going to take is going to be super low, not super low risk, but I'm going to take into account the $30 that I lost. So time passes by. I was expecting like these extremes to hold. Just looking for potential pullbacks. We ended up having eventually, like I was thinking of longing, but then took my orders off because again, I was waiting for this, for something like this, where you got a break of structure on the 5 minute and then a break of structure again, and you get the touch, and then it goes lower, and like my actual plan was to short this. So I had this trade on, I think with the stop there and my take profit at these lows. I had the trade there. And we print this candle right here. It's flat. And I said, we ended up the closing. I said, okay, this is still doable. So, I mean, next candle opens, it opens a little bit lower, then comes back a little bit. I'm like, there's no way I'm going to get two 1 minute flat candles in a row. And then we go. We ended up going. So that's my order taken off because, I mean, that's almost full TP. Not almost, but I think that's like already 1 to 5. Let me see. TP there, it's 1 to 2, 1.2. Okay. Then the 1 hour candle came up, and I was expecting, because it was flat, so 5 minute was flat, the 15 minute was flat, 1 hour was still flat, and we got this 5 minute order block here. I was like, okay, like a touch of here on to here, and then followed by 1 minute break of structure doesn't seem bad. So I kind of, this is the thing. I did short this, but I would have not shorted this if I didn't, had this trade on being front run here, and if I didn't had all that from way back. So I did short this. Where is it? Yeah, I did short this where I almost got stopped out, and I think like TP was here. Yeah, where I almost got stopped out. Then it went to TP. Then we bounced from this 1 minute extreme, and then it just stopped me again. I would have not shorted this. Like, this is not a good setup. I mean, you barely got the close down here. So this is a low probability close. And sure, we touched and we broke, but this just didn't seem right to me. To short, I shorted because I was like, okay, it's going down now. I'm just going to short. The stop loss doesn't really even make any sense. I just put it above this 1 minute high. Like a good stop loss would have been, I don't know. There's no good stop loss here to have. A good stop loss, I just needed to wait more to have a good stop. And yeah, looks like now we're gonna go up again. Ended up taking it wasn't even that much. It was like 170. It was 120 something, plus the 30 something that I lost, um, gave me this P&L for the end of the day. So not really a full -1 hour day. This is more like minus point 0.8 hour day, because I managed the risk because of this initial trade. But yeah, not happy with this execution. I thought about shorting this right here, with stop above that candle and my take profit here. Like this would have been the play, but there was news in 7 minutes and I didn't really like that. So again, decided to wait. But yeah, overall, not really a good day. Um, should have been more patient or just call it a day, because I wanted to call a day here on this, uh, because I was like, okay, yeah, this is tilting. I'm tilted, so I better call a day. But again, I just decided to wait. That said, need to be whenever I say that I am tilted, I need to just get off the chart. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for day number 126 or something.